flipping on me. Yittity. Time to cook some Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy J-Rock the Chocolate Stallion, and today I'm somewhat making peanut butter cookies again. I know what you're gonna say, Jamal. You just did it. Check this out. There's peanut butter cookies, but then there's peanut butter-gasm cookies. That's right, we taking it up a notch. Special shout out to my boy, Darrin Harvey. Happy birthday, man, this is for you. When he first had the original peanut butter cookies that you guys saw the last time, immediately he was like, this is good, but it needs more peanut butter. But then he stopped himself, he said, you know what, never mind, Jamal, I retract my statement because I like a good challenge. And the moment he said that, I'm like, I bet. The recipe is pretty similar. Enough of me bullshitting. Let's get this started. All right, so first off, we have our flours. I got a 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, either bleached or unbleached, whatever floats your boat. And I have a 1.5 cups of bread flour, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. I know there's a shadow behind me and it's pissing me off, but it's fine. 1 and 2. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Blam. Whisk it real good. Wow, I cannot get as high as I used to when I sing. At one point, I had a Mariah Carey pitch, and then puberty happened, and then my 20s happened, and I think the highest I could go is, yeah, I'm not even gonna try it. Anyway, whisk it real good. Okay, I'll stop. No, I'm not. Put that aside. Wet ingredients bowl time. Bam! We got 1 cup of light brown sugar and 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of softened butter. We are going to add a 1/4 cup of water, 2 teaspoons pure vanilla extract. 1, 2. It's mixing time, damn it. Absolutely. Add 2 large eggs. Make sure everything is incorporated. Peanut butter. 1 cup of this baby right here. As usual, I'm gonna eyeball this. Oh God, this is much thicker than I thought. I don't know if this is a cup. It looks like 1/2 cup. We are definitely at 1 cup. A little more don't hurt nobody. Mix again. Look at how it's folding in. Oh man. Oh. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. Just mix it one more time. Incorporate the dry batter into the wet batter. Do it in thirds, little by little, little mix. Scrape down the sides of your bowl. I mix this so good, I don't even need to give it an extra mix. Now, here's where we get crazy. He said more peanut butter, you're gonna get more peanut butter. What I have in this bowl, you see before you, I have 1 cup of Reese's Pieces, and I have 1 cup of the miniature Reese's unwrapped, and we dump it in. Oh my Lord. If you listen carefully while you're mixing, you hear that? That's diabetes. It's beautiful. I swear I eat healthy. I swear I eat healthy. I promise you I eat healthy. Says the big guy making cookies at midnight. 12:17. It is an unspoken rule, but an obvious rule. Every time you cook something, you're making something, you have to give it a try. And oh my God, look at that. Woo! Oh no, Jamal, stop, that's too much, too late. Oh my God. Okay, scoop, scrape, and place. And for additional shenanigans, yeah, he asked for more peanut butter. You're gonna get more peanut butter. Reese's morsels. That's about a. Okay, maybe the other side might be better. Oh my God. Oh. I'm not getting the scissors. I fear I'm gonna rip this damn bag open. I was trying to do it from the top, but I'm throwing this in a Ziploc. I don't care. Obviously, you would scoop as many cookies on the entire tray, and once you do that, add some morsels on top, purely for decoration purposes, and you just repeat the process. Hey, y'all wanna see something wild? Check this out. This batch makes 28 cookies. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Hold on, look, that's 12. 5 plus 5, that's 10. And then there's 6. Yeah, I counted 28. If my math is wrong, please go in the comment section and correct me, but I'm pretty sure I'm right. Oven preheating at 350. 2 trays at a time. Okay, let these babies bake for 15 minutes and we will see what happens next. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, here we go. Ho, 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 yes. Yeah, I'm cooking all these. Oh my gosh, you overly dramatic thing, gosh. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, you see the peanut butter morsels, but you also see Reese's Pieces that are on these things. Oh, there's nothing left to do but try it. Or as I like to say, time for the try. I'm gonna tear this up. Oh, Ah, it's soft, gooey, peanut buttery, still not overly sweet. And the sea salt is always a nice touch. Better than any store-bought cookie, better than any other peanut butter cookie I've ever had. This is on point. And it's simple. You just watched this episode. I taught you how to make this. You're welcome. Come on. Come on. What do I always tell you? Make this yourself, man. Every time, make it yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please, thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Comment. Subscribe. And most importantly, share me to your friends, share me to your family. Tell everybody, and I mean everybody, about J-Rock the Chocolate Stallion. As I said before, please, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot be lazy. Stop being lazy. You're craving something sweet. I just helped you out. But if you're trying to, watch your calories, stay tuned. I'm gonna have some more healthy coming on this channel as well. But I'm still gonna be doing like this. Oh, don't get it twisted. My name's the Chocolate Stallion for a reason. Y'all already know what my name is. You know my...